But Otumfuo himself, who leases out the land for these people to do the Galamsey.
So hold on.
No, who does that? I am only saying.
I was around the DeFellow Ghanaian or the Bancha Bomb. Anybody who you are on pages of Betaname Como. Enra and a demonstration because so just say fix the country activist. Almost shadow no say on demonstration. I also now demonstration in one was a rough. I will cast out just say or catch with 2 phones so together and say I see what Ghana how to all day. Hey, SMB crazy. Areas in me. Mama Chimu, no actually watching Amami. Our comment session. I have Penyah block media. Mesra say need him. Or be like a video, no damn, but subscribe button, and back the notification con with us. Updates, and back to the watching the Amami. Our comment session. Mesra so baswa, no I see video for any be action. The annual demonstration, I call so our Ghana, I 22nd September 2025. No. As a demonstration, a year. Fake the country activist, rough the DeFellow Ghanaian, and then crop for. Omuna back here, 204 year. Stop Galamsey NOW demonstration. Occupy Europe demonstration. Do the cause of Ghana. Na omo demonting omo ene those useless and violence demonstration is no more blocking 37 military road omo blocking that kwan ni is because of that no be ba yale da kai mo ba kwan ba ewu ye nyina no that rough mo eyes na omo the kwan crowd and the park e hold omo bobo back front center omo yes ankwase ya nyina just because omo ye stop Galamsey NOW demonstration e wa Accra was yen to gala kwa Accra assassin hwini assassin yen to gala bia ho but e ho edo kan kwase demonstration wala say e ba onyo nim de esi ewo mo na we rough am can say me no ana enra there was a demonstration a course e wo Ghana nyina course wo Accra ho no mo a demonstration nyina e stop Galamsey NOW demonstration.
Say no to Galamsey. Say no to Galamsey.
State of emergency. Declare it, my excellency. Declare it, my excellency. I know. I believe in you. Declare. You can declare. Don't listen to anybody. Declare state of emergency now. Declare it now. You have the power. You have the power. You have the 2/3 of parliament. You can do whatever you want to do in this country. Declare it. Declare it. We are pleading on your behalf. Declare it. I believe in you. We believe in you. Declare it. We are pleading on you. Declare state of emergency. That's the only thing that we want from you. And we shall uphold and defend your legacy forever. We will never allow them to say you are incompetent anymore. You are competent. You can do it. You are competent. You can do it. We've given you the power. We've given you the power. The power to rule this nation. Whatever, however you want it. And we are saying, you said to us that you are going to declare, you are going to reset this country. President John Mahama, this time. Honor your promise to us. Honor your promise to us. Don't listen to them. The people in the Jubilee House, don't listen to them. You are destroying your legacy. They are destroying your legacy. They are destroying your legacy.
How much as I Galamsey and saying so, saying SAS, any idea. But me who fly, I said demonstration ever costono. Now here, and new woman, I don't can say there be demonstration way. I said, a agenda bitter to the agenda because they have any idea you all.
Obi the ball and Tufuma, Monsieur Mumfa, must start advocating for the very irresponsible disposal of plastic. Rather be a new one, I'm who can be said no. Then I am 1 year pro with you. Most of baby, I would tell you, and so you found.
Pastor boys, rebarrow.
There be one as a far camera, no corner coach, now educating for four so. Now, Musubu, any pa. Ah, who say, yeah, Mega say, under control. Why? And Thomas family produce car. Man, I don't be to me to be why. Oh, yeah, mama. That's none of it. Media, body, and some of the remote time is in confusion. We have the refreshment violation. Some of them. I watch it one view.
emergency. Galamsey say yes yo. Yen timi anomusio. Abiano boy antimindi. Aben yen na no mo omudi mu Galamsey yo. Ba say ba ni say. Mahama wa opposition. So many kind of promises. The ministers, Sami Denfi, foreign minister, Okujato Ablakwa, and the minister so away at the radio station from Red Goat to the last radio stations. So said about the say, the press release said about the say, Ghana government, John Mahama, immediately we need declaring of a state of emergency. We don't need Galamsey. We value our life. We value our life. We don't value that Galamsey. Before that Galamsey, without a human being, how can you survive your presidency? You provided that. Without Galamsey.
Kumama maye radio kumama maye kumama maye radio kumama maye oye galamse kumama maye enti kumama maye radio kumama maye kumama maye radio kumama maye oye galamse kumama maye
Yeah. Kuma mama ye chese unum. Semi Jamfi nyumra beto ye kumna na do maya na chese MP before bufu ye no. Don't as en confirms I had organize it. Koye kuma mama ye sera bia be ka so ne e draw ne e be ka say on records. Mahama Krate so no MP before your demonstration say munya nkwase ade no munya ejime no yenya nkora masa yenya nkora munya nkwase asem no yenya nkora no Ghana ha no na nya no asem na yeka the was the echo so fine.
We are here today to ask the father of all to take them like his beautiful Farida. They too, they want the treatment Farida has got: clean water, healthy food, and good air to breathe. That's all they're asking for. They're not asking for money. They just want clean air, clean water, and healthy food, so that they can grow up to be like beautiful Farida. That is all we ask for. We are not fighting for politics. Are you getting clean water to drink? Are you getting clean water to drink? Where are all the fishes? They are dead. What happened? So if the elephants and the fish are dead, what will happen to them when they drink that water? Their mother is home pregnant with another baby. What future does that baby have?
In power, the Ghana Medical Association came out and said that the government should declare a state of emergency against Galamsey. Now, unfortunately, they couldn't do it. NDC is in power. We are begging the government. It is about time the government declared a state of emergency, a national war against Galamsey. I am saying this because somebody living in Sunyane has dug a well, and when they tested the water, there is mercury in the well water. Why? Why? Go to mining communities and go and see. People are giving birth and they are requesting that their babies be killed. Why? Because the form that the baby came with is not what they can take home. Why are we letting this go on? Because Ghanaians are weak. We are weak. MPP was in opposition. They called. Now they are showing pictures, videos. I am saying this because I am a citizen. I love my country, Ghana. My father is not a politician. My mother is not a politician. What I am saying is, Galamsey must end now.
I say, I call us Omuye because a good for time Omuye, it's Mama Tam, the man you better call say, Omabe NDC for any other, but the position Muyana. Now they were still blaming MPP for Galamsey. They were still blaming MPP for Galamsey.
Jama to me, who was mentioning Professor Fimpong Bwanti Galamsey report in any serious jurisdiction, Sakwan will say about we buy. Because so much in the go to Fiasi. Amudian is on the last year, 22nd of September, exactly today, we got arrested 18 for 14 days. If the guy of one of them now, listen, you're saying that to me, I don't get it. Alex asked me my voice to champion for the storm against the Galamsey. I don't have the power to stop the Galamsey, but I have the voice. I have the voice. What do you call it? I have the voice to use to call for the attention of the government to stop the Galamsey. So is that what we are doing? Hey, what do you say in this part of the world? No? Hey, it's not easy. Things like this. No? We know the people doing the Galamsey. The people doing the Galamsey are the politicians, both the NDC and the MPP. I recall last year, they told us that we were NDC activists. They're serving a good government. Because of that, for a Galamsey protest, we were branded as NDC activists. We went out there as a citizen of the nation. As the former president said, we should not be spectators, but we should be what? We should be citizens. We should speak up. So we were performing our civic duties. And Otumfuo, a human rights lawyer, he used his administration to trample on justice. Because now, Dr. said, for 2 days, no water, no food. I'm with him standing. Let me be sorry now, protest, no, the Saturday protest on the 21st of November. But Sunday, immediately after Mass, near coming, it shall be white, and the whites are all, this is all become. How much more 37 hours? And if you got but Dr. said, 2 days, no water, no food. This is the Galamsey protest. Me, my joining Akasa, my sign, and I join. Government, wherever I voted for this government. And I'm not part of those Ghanaians that say they vote for a party, that when a party is misbehaving, they will not speak up. I am not part of that nonsense generation. The people doing the Galamsey, I saw them at Ghana Mall. Omani Buama, they so rest in peace. Democracy are boy. Chairman Wu to me, who was mentioned in Professor Fimpong Bwanti Galamsey report, in any serious jurisdiction, Sakwan can say about we buy. Because so much in the court of Piasi. I want to me, the CEO of Akota Mine. Amuvedi, Ghana Reserve Forest. In any serious jurisdiction, Zakwan, say the only to me, I don't nonsense to me. Say, for example, it's not only for me company again. I issue contracted then.
What I say? They were still blaming people. And I was like, Chama won't to me, I can say, any abroad now, contam my Chama won't to me, they know the cerebral plan or the same honor, but I wasn't catching it to a queen. I'll be here, you money. I said, very great. I just said, no, we are a movie. There was a rough the full Ghanaian. A room said, also on or Casa. Rough and Cobana no more. Just a Galamsey Otumfuo to me say, would Timmy command because Asantehene, Otumfuo says, will be Anna, will be MP. I then Otumfuo for that 2 million, Nana, and India, my one more. Rough just said, I then through Otumfuo Tiho, no one first had the 2 million, and what I say, stopping Galamsey or the region when I was to every.
When Otumfuo's mother's funeral was ongoing, we saw all the politicians there. All the big people that we recognize in this country were there. Otumfuo himself admits and even made a statement that all these people sitting here are aware of the Galamsey going on. That means Otumfuo, I'm coming. But Otumfuo himself, who leases out the land for these people to do the Galamsey.
So hold on.
No, who does that? I am only saying that we should also throw the legs of our traditional rulers to speak for us. Because if Otumfuo speak today, right, the politicians will listen more than we listen. Imagine Otumfuo coming out today, right? I am not mitigating nothing. All I'm saying is, no, we are not mitigating anything. We are having a conversation. The government has failed because our people who have the power is still also holding them accountable.
But they've imported over 600 excavators. I beg you, Mr. President, those excavators, is it for farming or what is it for road construction? We know what the excavators they can do. So if we are serious about fighting Galamsey, and you are looking at importing excavators, they are mining we don't even more excavators. What are we going to use the excavators for? So you see, and so if it was agriculture, I'll be happy because we would have created more jobs. But we know what it's going to be. So you see, let us not beat about the bush. Galamsey can only be stopped by the president because he's the one who the constitution has given direct control over all our gold resources, right? So if there's anybody who can do something about Galamsey today, it has to be the president. And so this message goes straight to the president, not the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. We don't have any business with him. Everything comes down to His Excellency. Mr. President, if you're really serious about fighting Galamsey, everything stops at your office. So we are pleading with you. This march is just to create awareness and to ask that you do what you have to do to end Galamsey. But you see, Mr. President, I don't blame you if you cannot do anything. Because now your brother, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, is controlling today, he's controlling Ghana's biggest gold mine. So what can you do about Galamsey? If your brother himself now...
The biggest Galamsey side...
No, I'm coming to this. You see, if the president's direct brother is involved...
Are we against mining or illegal mining?
So the thing is this. Who is going to draw that line? Yes, but who's going to draw the line and say this is legal or illegal mining? Oh, hold on. You see,
mining is a large-scale mining, which is approved in our constitution.
So the problem is
since 1870 something, 78 or 87.
Let's deal.
Anglo-Gold Ashanti has, started gold mining in Obuasi.
Right.
So we have moved to illegal mining. Then we will hold you.
So let me take it on from where you stopped.
Right.
When COVID struck, right, you have to do your testing and we know who is infected with COVID. But we did not say we will allow those who are not infected to move around. It was a pandemic, so everybody was asked to halt, you see, and then you try to control it. Now, it has become an epidemic or a crisis. You cannot even differentiate between who is legal and who is illegal. That's where we've gotten to right now. So we're saying halt it. Yes, so we're saying halt all of it, and then we can overhaul the system, restructure it, and then exactly.
All the mining
wait.
in Ghana.
Halt all. Wait. I
thought
you asked a question and answer. Yes, we are halting. We need to halt all mining activities in Ghana. It doesn't matter who is involved. Halt all mining. Let's restructure the mining sector. Clean out all those who may not have license and permits. We know who is who, and then after that we can open it up for mining operations to continue. But even with that, release or resume operations. But right now it's a crisis that is affecting everybody, and we cannot go and say this is a legal person because even the permits that they're having, we know most of them are questionable. You see, so we're saying halt all mining activities, not a declaration of a state of emergency. That's not what we need. That comes with too many legal issues. We're saying halt all mining activities in Ghana today. Review all the mining leases and all the mining contracts that we have.
Ralph. Ghana nyawo deal. Na sa Ralph ye o keka san kwase ade we ya. Enra. Na 1957 news blogger age na ho because kwa TikTok I wa kwa friend 1957 news. Ama Africa na nje kwa mama e kasem mama e ma na shout out. Oya blogger I say event bia no obabi. Ralph Ekasa na ono blogger nso gina bi e record bi. Ralph si enya no no nkobo blogger no. On tell say o kasa na blogger no twa de bie. But okay, Ralph. Honorable sticker. I'll be changing government where I swear Mahama in. Sticker echo parliament. Ralph at the micro or the phone camera echo rustica near say yenya Ralph. No fun of phone call rustica near say.
Yeah, because yet my 8 years. Now my 8 years. And your politics are simple. Yeah, Baba, and Ghana. And then honorable when I'm calling association. Now going to street light and so offer your friend is saying so for like interchange this one Ninia and so Patase. Ninia wo ho enne watena on my way mu for 8 years Mr. Seka kawanu tum wo parliament din na on my no the new finance minister every kind of kind ma Ghana for owia de mo beka to so no enye de ye nyanse de Ghana be ko enim enye de be sabotage on my ene on my nkanko ye hwehwe se be nyansa for parliament na ya amanyofo so we are hoping second, I'm not attacking you, sir. You don't say that. I am not attacking. You've been attacking government. You've been attacking government. And I'm telling you to be citizen. I am asking you to be citizen, not a spectator. I am distance myself away from you. See what you are doing.
On fan of Funkora on a post to Kenya say, but Enra, Obijan baby keke, a channel rough edger, a could dinquasiade. Massa, rough Ghana nyawo. Ralph Ghana nyawodia Krachi Ghana nyawodia Jimeno Dawson Ghana nyawodia na Ralph enso be ka kire Otumfuo no ye pe be dina se wikue mo ye be book ne din aba me list mo trying for part 2 because agenda boys our TikTok o me started dinasem aman be bro ntire mu aha yi Penyah block media akra